Hi guys, good morning. Kakagising ko lang. It is 4:12 in the morning. So the reason why we woke up so early today is because may lakad tayo with Miss J. Pupunta tayo ng Pattaya. It's a beach town here in Thailand. So I'm very excited to go there. Magmumotor-motor tayo doon mga mi. Tapos, syempre kakain tayo ng seafood ng wagas. Come along with me and let's enjoy this trip together. See you! Okay. Kakatapos ko lang maligo guys. Bihis lang ako. Skincare. Mock up ng very very light. Tapos after noon, magbubook na tayo ng Bolt. Papunta doon sa dito, ito yung name ng station, bus station. And then after, imimit na lang natin si Miss J doon. Ayan guys, ready na tayo, di ba? Big transformation from monster to princess. What we have on right now is a black shirt lang. May dala din akong extra na white shirt dyan. Yung high elephant pants. Plus, again, yung shoes natin. And that's it. I'll see you guys later. Nandito na tayo sa may Ekamay bus terminal. Antayin na lang natin si Miss J and update ko kayo pag andito na or paalis na yung bus, okay? See you later.
Egg?
Go, yes. Everything. So ayun, guys, nakuha na namin yung ticket namin. So yung papuntang Pattaya, 6 a.m. and it's just 131 baht. I am already with Miss J. Tapos kain muna kami. Tapos ayun, kasi nagugutom na kami, ne? Okay, see you later.
Ay, nilike. Sorry. Nilike ang ibig kong sabihin. Ati, okay. Pasensya ka na daw. Sabi, wala pang gulay kasi kaka-open lang ng store.
Yung ito.
Wala din pang itlog.
Ay, totoo.
Kasi kaka-open.
Guys, kain. So, ang order natin is braised pork leg. Pork leg with rice.
Khao kamu.
Khao kamu. Oh, first bite. Ito na guys, papasok na tayo. It is officially 5:54. 6 yung trip. So dito tayo sa may gate 1. Punta na tayo ng Pattaya. Hi guys, so we have officially arrived here in Pattaya. And it is now exactly 8 a.m. So umalis tayo sa may Ekamay station ng around 6. So it takes 2 hours exactly from there to here. So come with me in this adventure and let's have fun together. See you later! So guys, dito pala sa bus station, meron kaagad Songthaew. Songthaew ang tawag nila dito. Para siyang
4x4 na nilagyan ng cage sa likod.
Oh, 4x4 na nilagyan ng something sa likod para pwedeng sakyan. So, parang siyang mini jeep.
Yes.
No? So, it's 100 baht each.
Hindi, 100 for two of us kasi 50-50.
So 100 for the two of us. Kasi 50-50. Not bad.
Mahal na yun.
Mahal na yun kasi usually 10 baht lang ang pamasahe. Pero, again, parang special trip to. Diretso na doon sa pupuntahan namin, which is yung hotel na nagpaparent ng motor bike. So ayun, sama kayo guys. Sawadee ka, crap! Welcome to Pattaya! So guys, again, eto yung Songthaew. Yon. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa street number 4, which is Soi Si ang tawag nila. Tapos dito tayo magre-rent ng motor. Ito yung mga i-rent natin. So ayun na nga guys, saan tayo pupunta, Miss J?
Sa Sanctuary of Truth.
Guys, andito na kami sa may entrance ng Sanctuary of Truth. Nga pala, pag magbubook kayo sa Klook nitong guided tour na ito, make sure na pupunta kayo dito after 1 hour. Kasi usually nagre-reflect na sa system nila yung booking nyo, yung online booking nyo after 1 hour. Guys, so dito yung entrance ng Sanctuary of Truth. Since meron pa kaming 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so na kailangan magantay, dito lang sa labas, maglalakad lang kayo. Pwede kayong kumain dito sa mga stalls dito. It's very tourist friendly naman. They will help you and they will do their best para i-translate sa inyo in English. At mura. Okay? Guys, kain ulit. I have here kanamo fruit. Tapos a side of egg. Meron din akong Coke Zero dito. So, again, kain muna kami. Tapos, after here, diretso na kami sa loob. Pasok na kami. Ne? See you later! So, guys, they gave us a map. Kailangan daw namin pumunta doon sa may part ng viewpoint. By the way, mandatory ang tour guide na English para daw malaman ang history at maintindihan. Oh, guys, kaldereta.
Mag-feed?
Laba. Ay, sorry, feeding pala yan. Tapos, meron, lang. Ang cute, ang nice naman ng...
Sawadi. Ah! Makati. Mga makakate.
Aga-aga.
Ang aga-aga niyo. Hala, nagtatanggalan sila ng balahibo. Bakit ganun?
Wow, ganun ang
Sawadi.
wadi.
Pwede kaya siyang hawakan?
Wadi.
Wadi. Ayaw.
Ay,
O, di wag. Kala mo important ka? Ito na lang, Wadi.
wadi.
Huh?
Silay na.
Wadi.
Wadi. Wadi.
Ayaw niya din. Ang susungit ng mga kabayo, chares.
Let's now enter the dragon. So, binigyan nila kami ng hard hat kasi currently may construction dun sa mismong temple. Baka bumagsak yung... Huy! Knock on wood. Kahoy! I'll see you there. Para kaming construction group. Papunta na po sa site. Oh guys, so ang ganda pak. Andito tayo sa woodworks na site. You see guys how detailed they are. Oh my God. By the way, what's special about this specific temple is walang ginamit na pako or anything to hold it together. It's just math. Oh my gosh, the details are incredible.
They get locked together by wood joint technique like this.
Paglalak ng wood ng without nail.
Alright. And the next one is carrying pole. How to lock pole or pillar together like this. See it? Alright. And next is
Accuracy of measurement.
long dovetail. How to make wall like this. Boop. Like this.
Wow.
And decorate them from the front.
By the way, sabi nila hindi daw ito temple. It is now a contemporary museum. Guys, nagpayong yung mga tao. Meron doon kuhanan ng payong sa likod. Eh di magpayong din kami.
Tama. Kaya gaya.
Diba?
Gumagaya.
Hindi naman masama. So yun, nagtutour lang tayo. Ikutin lang natin tong museum. Kasi nga daw hindi daw to temple. Pakita ko yung likod sa inyo, okay? Grabe, napaka-picturesque, no? Tapos, dagat. and mountains sa likod. Kasi sabi ng tour guide, ayon sa Chinese feng shui, dapat yung mga holy places is nasa gitna ng water or body of water tapos mountains.
That is the entrance. And I want to show you the picture on the stairway. Let's come together this way, please. Alright. Picture on the stairway.
Elephant. God of fire, God of wind, God of earth, God of water. Guys. Whoa. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is my chosen Hindu god. I love it. Ganesha. So ayun guys, dito ko muna tatapusin itong video na ito for now. Pero you don't worry kasi isasama ko pa kayo around Pattaya pag magdadrive tayo, kakain tayo at kung ano-ano pa. If you like this video, even if you did not, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit on that notification bell para naman aware ka pag nag-upload ako ng video. Okay? Bye! Mwah!